All right, back at it again. Another project. Simple this time. We're going to be swapping this thing out for the hood rod pop. I've already replaced this. Works pretty good. It just clips right in there. This one takes a 10mm bolt to get out. So we're just going to go ahead and knock it out. All right, so obviously the old one broke when I pulled it off. These are exact matches. Again, all it took was one 10mm bolt and the whole thing pops right off with clips. So the other side has a clip here and a clip here. So if you're replacing this, it's probably gonna break because these are old as hell. Just be careful putting this new one in and then securing it with the 10mm bolt that you took out of this one, because it doesn't come with one. So now we have a working hood prop mount system. And just close this on down. Just clips right in there.